Oh, oh. At a beautiful scenery beach resort, and then I am speechless on you in seeing you. Just looking at me, only my favorite girl. Malapang ko na, hamping ending pa. She said, I am very close to you. I cannot imagine your reactions about seeing me. Maybe even our indirect kiss in far apart on different countries na can be together until the end of time. Ikaw pa rin ba yung aking blue sky ng Koray Siripot Chakari Pumpkin Multiverse ko? Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. Oh, 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 yeah, yeah, yeah. Someone who will be sharing this feeling little by little steps together, my love. Para ka lang nasa isang icing sa ibabaw ng cupcake ko. Oh, ikaw lang yung aking dream voyage ng Koray Syrup at Chakari Pumpkin ng multiverse natin. Iniisip ko sa sarili ko kung baka naman tayong dalawa na crush ko. You can tell me on my future fortune cookie. Ikaw na ba rin ba yung aking blue sky ng Koray Syrup at Chakari Pumpkin multiverse ko? Oh, I'm looking to the shiny cold night. I dream about whatever I meet you sometime in the future. Whatever our winds and destiny will take us. Kahit na tayong dalaw na lang sa huli sa buong mundo ng multiverse natin. Kawang Koray Syrup, Potchakari, Pumpkin, multiverse ko. Kahit na ako na not chosen, but I understand you. Alam ko sa aking puso ay Koray Syrup, Potchakari, Pumpkin. Ang aking paborito na pangalan na nag-subunit. Kahit holiday pa man yan at anong season pa yan, ikaw pa rin yung aking blue sky, Koray Syrup at Chakari Pumpkin, multiverse ko. Ikaw pa rin ba yung aking blue sky ng Koray Syrup at Chakari Pumpkin, multiverse ko? Baka naman malay mo tayo sa huli, nasasabihin ko na I believe sa destiny. Ikaw pa rin ba yung aking blue sky ng Koray Syrup at Chakari Pumpkin multiverse ko? Oh, 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 oh. Ikaw lang ang aking naisip ko kapag nakikita tayo, napapasabi na ako ng konnichiwa, hello at kamusta sa'yo? I cannot wait to meet you at the stars of the multiverse nating dalawa. I hope you will be my forevermore. Kahit sanin pa rin tayong dalawa lang na magpunta sa buong mundo, kahit malayo man tayo o kahit na malapit sa isa't isa sa mundo. Tinanong mo kung ikaw at ako nasa bituin sa kalawakan ng multiverse nating dalawa. Baka naman na ay pag-ibig na kaya di ko maisip na mag-confess sa'yo, my love. Sana ikaw at ako lang yung Koroy Sirupo tsaka Pumpkin multiverse nating dalawa. Ikaw na ba yung Miss Right ko ng buong buhay ko? She cannot decisive about my love. I hope your heart is listening to my heart. I can so give me the night to show you, to hold you in the clouds and the sky. I cannot forget about that night together. Maging tayo man sa huli or hindi, sana naman na magstay tayong dalawa na magkaibigan. I don't know how to confess you. Sana ikaw at ako lang yung Koroy Sirupo tsaka Pumpkin multiverse nating dalawa. Walking togetherness until the end of the multiverse nating dalawa. I cannot wait on the paradise island. On multiverse natin, susulitin ko ang bawat panahon at oras sa'yo. Basta mag-smile lang tayong dalawa. Baka naman pwede na maging tayo sa huli ng multiverse nating dalawa. Kung i-rewrite ko yung the stars ng in the multiverse ko, ikaw na yung aking Koroy Sirupo tsaka Pumpkin ko. Whatever the winds and destiny, yung dumaan sa ating pagmamahalan nating dalawa. Ikaw pa rin pa yung aking blue sky ng Koroy Sirupo tsaka Pumpkin multiverse ko. Sana ikaw at ako lang yung Koroy Sirupo tsaka Pumpkin multiverse nating dalawa. Sana ikaw at ako lang yung Koroy Sirupo tsaka Pumpkin multiverse nating dalawa. You are my forevermore lady in our Koroy Sirupo tsaka Pumpkin multiverse ko. Sana ikaw at ako lang yung Koroy Sirupo tsaka Pumpkin multiverse nating dalawa. Sa isang famous na observatory natin, I am looking to the shiny no cold night. I dreaming about whatever I meet you sometime in the future, whatever the winds, our wind and destiny will taking us. Tanong ko sa sarili ko, ikaw na ba yung Miss Right ko? The most wonderful time of the year naman nating dalawa. Ikaw lang yung aking special princess ko. You are my shiny bright forevermore. Kahit na tayong dalawa ay malayo o malapit tayo dalawa sa isa't isang bansa-basa. Hindi na alam kung paano ko na magko-confess para sa'yo. Oh, sana ikaw at ako lang yung Kuroy Syrup at Tsakari Pumpkin nating dalawa. I'm touching the white clouds. You are there in the clouds. I'm touching. We are reaching out together in the clouds in the sky. You are my forevermore lady in our Kuroy Syrup at Tsakari Pumpkin Multiverse ko. Oh, 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 oh. Nanonood lang tayong dalawa sa rooftop ng school natin ng isang baseball at natutuwa tayo dalawa na pareho kakapag dalawa o tatlo na home run mula sa American baseball o Japanese baseball team pa yan at pareho din tayong isang kanta natin sa isang famous na anime show habang nasa rooftop tayo na naka-school idol uniform tayo habang overlooking sa dagat at sa langit na asul. Nasabi nating dalawa ay ikaw na ba yung forever ko? This is our best day of my life, my love. Para ka lang isang intergalactic bond sa multiverse nating dalawa, sa cosmos note nating tayong dalawa lang, sa ating pagmamahalan natin sa multiverse natin. You are my forevermore lady in our Kuroy Syrup at Tsakari Pumpkin Multiverse ko. Oh, you are my darling of my blueberry on Kuroy Syrup at Tsakari Pumpkin sa aking multiverse ko. We are together na forever sa ating paglalayag sa ating barko ng pag-asa ay pag-ibig at pag-asa natin sa buong kalawakan ng multiverse natin. You are my blue sky ng multiverse ko. Kahit nasa ibabaw tayo ng blue sky, whatever and where your or dreams and your destiny nating dalawa. Ikaw lang yung sapphire ko at kahit na ruby lang ang yun, titingnan natin dalawa yung mga bituin sa kalawakan ay nalalapit na ako sa'yo. She was too much blushing about thinking about me. Ako lang ba yung pangarap mo? You are my forevermore lady in our Kuroy Syrup at Tsakari Pumpkin Multiverse ko. You are my forevermore lady in our Kuroy Syrup at Tsakari Pumpkin Multiverse ko. Ikaw na sana yung Kuroy Syrup at Tsakari Pumpkin Multiverse ko. You are my forevermore lady in our Kuroy Syrup at Tsakari Pumpkin Multiverse ko.